hi. This is 50% only. This is 100%. Say, how many of you ready for the game? Say hi. Welcome to game time. The name of the game is Ball Pyramid. If any winner wins this game, they're gonna get 500 points.
Communication is not about what you say. It's about how you say.
Don't give them an opportunity to engage. நீங்க இப்போ டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணல. We will teach you that later. இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க? Just a presentation பண்றீங்க.
Doors will open if you are confident, you're courageous.
Perfection is not needed in life. What we are practicing, that is the most important.
Change your thoughts and speak loudly and clearly.
You can be very, very competent, but if you lack confidence and if you lack courage, what's the use? Just roll over.
Do you know which of the recent incident reignited the labor union movement in Tamil Nadu? A nail in the horse's shoe loosened up little bit, and the spy said, "We have time. I'll fix it later."
Confidence is the number one currency that you can have today.
Everybody solve the person? Yes. My topic is social media is good or bad.
Once upon a time, in a beautiful village,
Communication can make you or even break you. The choice is yours.
so person A decided to come up with a strategy that I make a perfect pot in 5 hours. India is shining.
Wonderful.
India is shining.
Wonderful. Nice.
Yes.
Communication is the blessing of human being. Why?
If you want to impact, influence and increase your income, join Communication Breakthrough.
எனக்கு அசெஞ்சரில் வேலை கிடச்சிருக்கு, ஆனால் எனக்கு வந்து கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டே இல்லை. அந்த கம்யூனிகேஷன் பிரேக் த்ரூ பண்ணணும், அதுக்காக இந்த சூப்பர் ஹியூமன்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த கோர்ஸ்க்கு வந்தேன். இங்கே சூப்பராக சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்க. இங்கே எல்லாமே கேம்ஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் தான் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. நான் நிறைய விஷயம் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டேன். நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு நினச்சேன் இந்த கேம்ஸ் வச்சு என்ன பண்ண முடியும், என்ன கற்றுக்க முடியும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஆனால் அதுலேருந்து ஒரு விஷயமா நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். நிறைய ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க, நமக்கு நிறைய பேச சொல்லுவாங்க, நம்மளே ட்ரைன் பண்ணுவாங்க, நம்மளை வந்து டிஸ்கரேஜே பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, எல்லாருமே என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுவாங்க.
Wherever you are and wherever you want to be, the distance, the bridge is communication. Welcome to Communication Breakthrough.
I did my communication breakthrough for 3 days. After that, for the first time, I did my presentation on a stage. That too, I alone did it, and it was only 5 minutes presentation. First, I was very nervous, but I somehow entered it. And after getting down, I was not expecting some strangers from the audience came and told me personally that it was good. So it was a very surreal moment. First time ever it had happened.
I have come all along from Madurai to learn with the SUPERBHUMANS, and I found in these 3 days such a great learning.
Communication is a currency that is the most used today. If you are confident, if you are courageous, if you are bold, people will open doors for you.
So before the post, I initially had a lot of anxiety, nervousness as well. I was not very much good at presentations. I developed a lot of stage fear. But post the program, I can confidently tell that I am good at presentations now. And I got rid of whatever stage fear and whatever beliefs that I had.
Before the program, I was very skeptical about what words to use, and I had a stage fear. After this program has given me a lot of confidence.
We teach the art and science of communication in a very unique way. We use games, activities and exercises to teach you the art and science of communication.
And this is a life-changing experience for me. Is that before the session, I had totally get a situation where my communication lagged and I feel demotivated everywhere. And after that program, I have changed myself a lot by going to stages more. I'd like to grab opportunities more and more to come to the stage.
By the show of hands, how many of you ready for a game? Say hi! Come on teachers, more energy. How many ready for a game? Say hi!
What's the name of the game? The objective of this game is you will be given 2 pieces. In that 2 pieces, you have to build a pyramid.
Communication can make you or even break you. Join us at Communication Breakthrough.
How many of you ready for the game? Say hi!
Welcome to game time.
The name of the game is Ball Pyramid.
What is the name of the game?
What is the name of the game? So objective of the game is very simple. You have to separate both the names.
In Communication Breakthrough, you will learn the science of communication. That is body language, tonality and also the words.
Social media is not good.
When you look for feedback from the crowd and the crowd doesn't give, your speech doesn't take off. You should not hold like this, not 45 degrees. It should cover your mouth.
Everybody is being updated because of the social media.
Good afternoon everyone. The topic I have chosen is benefits of
Communication Breakthrough is a 3-day workshop. The day one is called as Day of Fun, where we use games, activities and exercises to teach you art and science of communication. Day 2 is all about training. You go on the stage 6 times and your one-on-one coach will help you to become much more confident, will teach you the choice of right words, body language, tonality, and become confident on the stage. Day 3 is the day of becoming free. It's the day of transformation, where you get rid of fear forever. You break all your fears, all your limitations, and become a powerful presenter and a confident communicator. Ready to learn communication? Join Communication Breakthrough. What are you waiting for? Call this number now. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games. Activities and exercises. Teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills, which help them become number one in studies and number one in life.